What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and today in this video I am going to do unboxing of Honor 7X. And you can see the box is in front of me. Actually, Huawei has been too busy this year and there are many smartphones in the mid-range by Huawei, and you can see this is in blue color, and this is 3GB RAM model with 32GB of storage. So there are a few specifications: 13 megapixels camera with 2 megapixels camera. It is actually dual camera on the back, and the front camera with a fingerprint scanner and the face unlock feature. It is 5.99-inch display and the battery size is 3000 milliampere. So without any further ado, let's get started and unbox this phone. And you can see right away the phone is on the very top. Let me just put it at a side, and we have some IMEI numbers. And you can see this is the SIM ejector tool, very smartly packed. And next up we have other stuff. I guess it will be paperwork, and some kind of case should be there. And yes, you can see clearly it is paperwork, and we have a case also. Let me see if this is the silicone case or not. Yes, this is flexible. So this is the case of this phone. And next up we have the charger, and it is a regular 1 milliampere charger. It is not a fast charger, and the phone itself does not support the fast charging. And you can see we have this micro USB cable. This is not a USB type C, and these are the hand frees. So this is all about the unboxing of this phone and all the stuff which we have inside this box. So now let's bring the phone into the camera, and let me just bring it out of this wrapper. Let's just bring it out of this wrapper now, and you can see this is the phone, and it is in blue color. Actually, its design language is very similar to the previous phones which I have already unboxed on my channel. You can check them out, and I have started the phone. You can see the similar design language is there. There is no change. The headphone jack is present on the bottom, the speakers on the same sides, and dual cameras with the flash and the fingerprint scanner in the middle. So there has been a lot of work by Huawei this year, and similar sets have been released with only few changes in the design. This is not a Kirin processor set, this is Snapdragon 450. So you can see right now we are just logging into the phone, and it is going to start. Let's start with the English, and let's skip this all and agree to these terms. And we are moving very good. Let's just skip it for a while and agree to the Google terms and set up as a new phone. So we are about to complete. We do not want to set the cloud for a while. So let's move and set a password, and let's check out the fingerprint scanner. Now let's directly jump into the phone. We have the same fingerprint scanner which is present in other devices. There is no difference. Actually, this fingerprint scanner is very fast, and you can see similar screen size which is 5.99 inches in many Huawei devices this year. And we are running on Android 8.0, which is the latest version, which is Oreo. And this is 3GB RAM model, and we have 32GB of storage. You can see clearly that we are running on Oreo on this device. So actually the color production of this device looks very good in being in the low mid-range devices. So let's move to the camera, and let me check out the camera results. And you can see clearly it looks good, and I will be posting all other videos about this device and comparisons for this device with other devices. So to see those videos, stay tuned on the channel. And you can see this was all about the unboxing of this device. And I have a few other devices by Huawei which is Honor 7A, and I will be posting the unboxing of those devices too. So stay tuned on the channel for those videos, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.